You're going on vacation. Guess where we're going on vacation?
Where?
We're going to Jamaica. Hi, big girl. You're 3 months old today. You're 3 months old today. Yes, look at that big smile. You're 3 months old today, aren't you? Aren't you, mama, sweet girl? Look at you. You're getting so big. Can you believe that you're all of 3 months already? Huh? Can you believe you're all of 3 months already? You're getting so big. Soon you'll be playing with brother, talking to brother. You know that? Soon I'll be saying, Sarah, don't touch that. Sarah, don't do that. Sarah, no. Sarah, come here. Sarah, don't run. Sarah, stop. Right? You say, Mama, you're crazy. Right? I know. I know. I know, Pumpkin. I know. You're so gorgeous. My baby girl is 3 months old today. Baby girl is 3 months old today. And look who is starting off today's vlog. Look who is starting off today's vlog. Say morning, Faves. Say morning. Morning, Faves. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Yes. Yes. You're showing them your stomach. Don't do that. Don't show anybody. Don't show anybody. Don't show anybody, my gorgeous girl. Hi. Hi, Mama. Sweet girl. All right, let's go. Gotta go. Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I look like a real mama with my head tied this morning. Say morning, Faves. Say morning, fam bam.
Morning.
Say morning.
Morning, Faves.
Oh, and Sarah is in her seat about to fall asleep, I'm sure. She's comfy with her pussy in her mouth. Anyway, you guys, it's the last day on the road before our vacay. So we are getting last minute things picked up and done before we go. So yeah, that's what we're out and about to do right now. We have quite a few errands to run, so we're about to do that. So hopefully you guys are okay, hopefully you guys are doing well, and by the end of this vlog we will reveal to you our vacay destination. But I wanted to tell Ty and film his reaction because I know he's gonna be hella excited. So by the end of the day we'll tell him all the goodness. Anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up. And by the time you guys are watching this, we will be in destination number 1. Ha. Glasses 1. Tyler chose this one and I really like it. Okay, let's see glasses 2. Glasses 2. Honey, option 2.
Mama.
Different? I want it different from the one I had. Ah, here.
FK.
Hey, let go off my hand, please. The only thing about this one is this. I don't want it to mark my face, so this is a no. Next one. I love this one too. Honey, babe, you like this one? Your son hesitant, like you're not sure. Okay, I'm gonna show you the last one.
Vous, les dernières lunettes, elles datent de combien de temps? Ça fait plus de 2 ans.
Oui.
Oui.
ouais, je crois que j'ai dû
So this
les
is
avoir en
my
même
final
temps qu'elle.
choice.
D'accord.
I love it.
On a droit à une paire tous les 2 ans.
C'est ça, c'est pour ça qu'il veut mettre si ça fait plus de
Ah
2 ans.
oui.
Oh, let me see, Papa. Let me see that one. No,
C'est plus classique. Je pense que c'est plus fin.
I want to see in this one.
J'aimais bien la noix juste avant.
Not bad. Similar to this one. Wait. Wow, I like this
Ça
one.
c'est plus coloré.
I love this one.
Vous avez pris un peu
Have a little green. Still ribbon, still my favorite. How much for the ribbon? $192. And how much is your budget for this? For the
55, 160, 150. This one.
put it on and
préféré quand il y a pas
put back on this one. Put back this one. It's different. I think I prefer this one.
C'est bon, ça va pour l'instant, je pense.
Ah, celle-là non.
Non, je pense que c'est resté sur un système.
Why are you sticking? Why are you looking for bugu in your nose?
This one.
Yeah. This one's nice. Still my favorite. Take it off and put on back this green one. Let me see. They're kind of the same. The same. They are much difference. Oh, cool. Different. Still prefer this one.
Ça se rapproche.
Oui, ben en fait,
Et
quand
ça,
c'est
c'est
des
assez
métals
proche,
sur le
hein.
contour, c'est vrai qu'après, c'est le détail au niveau des branches,
Ouais,
au
c'est
niveau de
assez proche.
l'épaisseur, ça se...
Le fait que celle-ci, par exemple, moi j'ai souvent des migraines
Oui.
à ce niveau-là. J'ai l'impression que quand j'enlève.
You guys, the glasses, what is it called? The glasses place took forever. Took almost 2 hours to do our glasses. We finally did it and went straight to the supermarket to pick up some last minute things. And we're in the car now ordering our pizza to go pick it up for lunch. And so that we can have some to leave out so we can have some to eat before our flight. So yeah.
What
flight, Mama? What flight?
I'll tell you soon, honey.
What are you talking about? Tell her what mommy is talking about.
The pizza to fifth?
Yeah, we're going for pizza.
Yeah.
I don't know what else she's talking about.
Me too.
Anyway, you guys, we're heading for the
You want 2
pizza
times the
right now.
same one?
What else is there?
I don't know.
Because they don't have pineapple Hawaiian. So that's okay. Just order the same thing. That's alright. So I am looking forward to my cheesy bread like right now. And we need to go before Sarah wakes up. Because when she wakes up, she's going to want to feed. And she's going to need them boobies. Because this mama been traveling lately without bottle for her. For pizza?
Yes, Mama.
Alright.
So this time, when we are in the car, eat the pizza, and when we are in the wait, we are gonna do just normally while we do it. We do first we do the cheese bread and then the pizza. When it's Sunday, we are gonna do pizza first and then the cheesy bread. Cheesy bread at home, pizza here. Okay?
No, we're going to eat the cheesy bread first. Because the cheesy bread have to eat hot.
Yeah. The Can you tell Papa for him to drive me? Because if he don't drive, I'm going to fall asleep.
You're gonna fall asleep if Papa don't drive?
Yeah.
Alright, it's okay if you fall asleep. When we reach the pizza place, I'll wake you up.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Alright.
That one that I want to eat first is with the bacon.
Babe, take a different pizza this time. This one have potatoes. What's that? Ham, honey?
Yeah.
Ham and cheese.
Mama.
And this one is
First, I
our
want to
usual.
eat that one because it's with the bacon. I want the one with the bacon, so it's that one that I want to eat first.
Okay. Sit.
Let me sit here.
Happy
Tyler, look at your pizza.
Bye.
It's gonna fall. And
Sit.
let Papa sit here. Woo! And don't smash my food in the same time. This boy. You're supposed to take care of Papa. Not to make Papa hold up.
Okay.
Ah,
Wait.
We wanted to tell you something.
We have something to tell you. Remember I told from yesterday that we have something to tell you?
oh yeah. What?
You ready to hear?
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
We're going on vacation. We're going on vacation on Monday. You're not going to school.
No.
We're going on vacation in 2 days.
Yes, I'm gonna.
But guess what?
What?
You're gonna be what? What
Red?
you're gonna say? Mm-mm.
Me?
You're going on vacation. Guess where we're going on vacation?
Where?
We're going to Jamaica.
Yeah!
And
Where?
stay here. And
Where?
we're going to the USA. We are going to Uncle Conrad's house. Tutu!
So when we are in Jamaica and we are going to,
Come back here, so.
and when this Monday we, and I'm going, and when we are going there, guess what?
I said we're going on the plane on Monday.
We're gonna take the plane.
Yes, so guess what?
What?
I'm gonna be absent on Monday.
Mm-hmm.
Teacher will.
Your teacher already know that you're going on vacation.
My teacher gonna say at one go off canteen and she's gonna say Taylor is absent because she talk only French and English.
Okay.
Like-
So you're not going to school on Monday. We're taking the plane on Monday. We're going to the airport and we're taking the plane.
Yep.
You excited?
Yes.
Yes, so what you gonna do there? Who
So you're
gonna
going to
see?
Auntie Annika house and Olivia. So you're gonna see Uncle Conrad,
Yes.
Olivia, Auntie Annika.
Yes, but the first thing first, you know what?
What?
We need to go in a different tram stop. A different tram stop.
So listen to me. Why not to take the train when we be at Uncle Conrad's house? You want to take the train there that you don't know the stop?
Oh yeah.
You want to take a new train?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
But I think
So who you gonna see? Tell me who you want to see.
Uncle Conrad and Olivia, and also take the tram to Airport Terminal 1. Go inside
Terminal 1?
the airport, and then go where the plane keeps. Take one, and then it will fly in 10 minutes.
No, not 10 minutes. 9 hours flight. We're gonna sit in the plane for 9 hours.
Yeah, and then
And who you gonna see in Jamaica?
And then we're gonna go to Jamaica after 1 week.
and we are gonna hear the sound in the airplane. I'm going to listen to the stop of the airplane and it's going to
Okay,
say, Montreal or something else. Or
And who you want to see in
Who you want to see in
next stop,
Jamaica?
Jamaica. And who you want to see in Jamaica?
Who are you gonna see in Jamaica?
Uncle Conrad.
No, Uncle Conrad is in the USA, so we're going to the USA first.
Okay.
We're going to New York City first, and then we're going to Jamaica after 1 week in New York City.
Okay,
So who are you gonna see in Jamaica? Which of your auntie live in Jamaica? Auntie Sha? Auntie Sha?
Naya.
Right.
And
And who else? And Kaylin? And the babies?
And then when we are going to guess what?
What?
I'm gonna carry my
You're gonna carry a train?
Yep.
Mm-mm. We're not gonna carry the train. We're gonna carry something else, not the train.
Please, because if I don't bring the train, I'm gonna want to do my stuff. That's why.
Well, we're gonna have to say the train can hold it. But if we don't have space for the train, we won't be able to bring it, okay?
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, so there you guys have the reveal of our
Next.
vacation destinations. And when you guys watching this, we'll be in New York. Just to let you guys know, for all our subscribers that live in New York, we're planning a meet and greet. We have a meet and greet in Central Park on Saturday the 19th at 2 p.m. So all our subbies, come out and see us. Who follow me on Instagram and stuff like that. You guys will know exactly the spot, and I'll post it on the vlog. On the vlog comment section where exactly in Central Park you are. Yes, Sarah?
If we don't have, I think that it's okay if I bring my train and when somewhere open, I'm gonna turn my train.
So you're ready to meet some of the faves when you go to New York City?
Yep.
Guess who live in New York City?
Uncle Conrad.
Auntie Priscilla. Auntie Priscilla, Auntie Kenisha. Are you gonna? Hopefully, we get to meet some more faves, okay?
Okay, so
we are gonna have some fun. You ready to go pack a suitcase? So, what do you think Mama was packing suitcase the entire week, and you asked me what I was doing? And in the car, when I said, we're getting last minute things for a flight, you asked me what flight. Is it because we're going on vacation?
no. I don't know.
You don't want any more? Why? Because you want to go pack?
Yeah.
Where you going?
It's today I want to go to vacation.
No, you guys see why we didn't tell him since long time. And hear what he just said is today he wants to go. Now you see why we didn't tell him. Oh, why? Alright, duty calls you guys. Girl, I'm boom.
The boom boom, ba, 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 the boom boom, at the boom boom, at the boom boom, ba, at the boom boom, at the boom boom, Hotty boom boom, hotty boom boom. Mama, can I have water?
Please.
Please, Mama.
Sure. He soon come back. Look at Sarah broken her neck to see you. Hurry, Sarah looking for you. I swear Tyler and Sarah is gonna be best friends, like literally best friends. Is that one tied, the other one empty? Come up with that one. Let me
This
open.
one?
Yes. I'm here just unwinding from the day.
Mama?
Come around, Ty. Come around here. She's looking for you.
After that, I want to play one game with you.
Yes.
I'm going
Your
to
sister looking for you.
I'm sure.
I finished giving the boys haircut and I finished finally packing all the suitcases and close them up. And just here unwinding from the day, watching Sarah and Tyler play. And here Tyler say I'm gonna play with him a bit. So I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the day. But yeah, you guys, hopefully you guys will come out and meet us in the city. I'll tell you exactly where in Central Park we'll have our meet and greet. And we're just gonna have a good time on vacation. We're so ready. Ready to go to sleep? Delaveaus night night. Delaveaus night night. Night night face. Night night face. Fatty boom boom. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam. Catch pan, keep up, and we'll see you guys
Mama.
tomorrow.